In 2008, two of the leading players in the commercial transportation industry came together to form VECV. Both had unique expertise and diverse strengths, but both shared one common vision: driving modernization in commercial transportation. The Volvo Group brings its global expertise and world-class technology, and Eicher its innovative engineering and proven DNA of fuel efficiency. With this, VECV has marked its successful presence in more than 30 countries worldwide. The state-of-the-art manufacturing and assembly line plant with world-class processes ensures the highest quality standards are met at the most economical cost. It also houses one of the most advanced engine plants, supplying base engines to the Volvo Group as well, demanding Euro 6 standards. This has all resulted in the design and development of the Eicher Pro series, next generation of trucks and buses. And from the Pro series rises the non-stop performer. Powerful at heart and reliable by nature. Through meeting global standards and adapting Japanese design, it strives for perfection and emerges as victorious when put to the test. Across 2 continents and in different terrains and extreme climate conditions. A performer with winner attitude, who is tireless, never gives up, and barely needs a rest. A performer who leads the way with intelligence, smart moves, and a proactive approach. He keeps eye on every performance indicator. A performer who adapts his position and keeps a cool head. A performer who is also meticulous and keep himself protected with a shield, a strong grip and control over speed. The ultimate combination of intelligence, reliability and precision. Presenting Eicher Pro 3008 Non-Stop Performer.